Do you think that the names mentioned in the picture belongs to these persons which are uh, visible in this picture?
Mm, uh, wait, let me let me guess. Mm,
This is Pat, Ben, Kim, and the name Mark is uh, uh, I can use is denoting the boy laying down on the ground. I think Mark.
I think his name is Mark.
Yes, I do think so. And I think what do you think? He's listening listening music or not?
No, his eyes are his eyes is closed, and his face expression is also said that he's sleeping.
Maybe. And what about the boy who is playing with the ball? As you a sportsman, how can you identify the type of ball he's holding? Whether it is a volleyball, a football, or a basketball, or a cricket ball? What do you think?
Mm, I think it is a basketball with another color. Usually, basketball color is orange, but the lines are represented over here that is belonging to basketball ball. Basketball.
Okay. And
What do you think? I wanna ask something. What do you think that this dog between here is a pet dog or a street dog?
it is not clear. I'm not sure, but it could be a pet dog because it seems that the boy with the ball is playing with the dog.
Yes. Mm,
It could
it
be a
could
pet
be a
dog.
yes. I wanna say so. And